Shandong TOROS Machinery Corporation, officially founded in 2021 as a trading company. We have the strength of research and development and manufacturing of all series of hydraulic excavators. TOROS is mainly engaged in excavating machinery, mini excavators, medium and large excavators from 800 kilograms to 55 tons. And you can find from us wheeled excavators, weight from 3.5 tons to 18 tons. We also engage loader and backhoe loader. All of our products comply with international quality standards, and TOROS is committed to become one of the Chinese construction machinery brand that domestic and foreign users will choose. TOROS can offer you competitive advantage products. Our products will give you an edge over your competitors. We sincerely hope to cooperate, develop together, and build a good future with you. We are ready to be your trustworthy supplier. Our products are also exported to more than 20 countries and regions all over the world. We have a professional service team and technical staff. We will keep working hard and increase investment to improve our quality and service for a long time in the future. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We sincerely welcome clients and friends to visit us and join us.